What's going on, guys? Listen, this is my first time recording with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I literally just picked it up at this local Best Buy right here. I'm trying to, I gotta press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, to turn it around. So that's my local Best Buy right there. And I'm about to, I'm about to go and pick up an empty trailer and then finish going home. I'm literally just playing with it, getting it out the box. I've been watching YouTube videos like crazy about this, and I'm really excited about the mic as well, because I've been hearing the audio for this thing and it's been absolutely incredible, like how people sound. But I'm real excited, definitely about the face tracking as well, like how this thing literally follows you. I mean, that's absolutely dope. But what's really crazy is this. Like, this thing has literally been sold out, like literally all over the freaking country, guys. Like, I try to go to Best Buys in Pennsylvania, Mississippi, just literally like all over the East Coast, because I'm a trucker, so I'm all over the place, and I could not get it anywhere. Like, it's crazy, so I'm really excited, man. I'm really excited about this, and this is definitely going to get me back into vlogging way more, because it's so compact, and all you got to do is flip it out and record, boom. And then what I really love as well is the way it just tracks you, man, So I got to buy like an accessory for it so I can put it up on my dash, and, if I'm doing driving vlogs or whatever like that. But this thing about to be dope, man. I'm really excited to hear the audio. And I'm actually here back home right now for a funeral, so I'm definitely going to be trying to vlog the funeral, man. One of the elders at the church that I attend, he passed away. So, yeah. I made it to the house, and not actually the house yet. My house is like literally like 2 minutes down the street, but I'm about to go to the barbershop right now. I look like a homeless guy right now, you feel me? But I tried to go pick up an empty trailer after I just picked the camera up, and the only trailer that the place had, it had like a broken latch on one of the doors, so I wasn't about to do that crap. So I'm about to go into this liquor store real quick that's literally right across the street from the barbershop. And I'm going to get in there, Milo. Get in. I'm going to get the money out of the store, out of the ATM or whatever, and then I'm gonna walk across the street to the barbershop, go get my hair cut. Hello. Every time I get my hair cut, I literally always come here, because I don't ever have cash on me. So here it is. I got a barber right there. Sample. Big up yourself, Welcome to the vlog. Is it, man? Yeah. But that's the barber right there. I gotta try out the wide angle lens too. I'm probably gonna get something to eat from the Chinese store across the street real quick. This place got some of the best shrimp fried rice. Alright, I got my food. So I'm about to just eat this, watch some Netflix, and wait on the barber. Dude, that face tracking, like you can't beat that. Like, you cannot beat that. But let's see if this is the wide angle adapter. I'm not sure if it is. Is it? I have no freaking idea, guys. It's not even telling me anything. But let's see, because I think all we do is that it? I think that's it. Let's try to take it off again and see what happens. Oh, I don't want the DJI to fall. Okay, so I'm seeing myself down there, and when I put it on, how does it? It is it. It adds a little bit more room on both sides, because without it, I can only see up to here. and then with it on, I can see just a little bit more. So that is the adapter that I need. Okay, cool. This dog just too dang anxious. He's like, I haven't been home in a while. I'm using the come Mila, come. I'm using the microphone straight from the camera. First actually, and I'm actually holding it up this time. But it's dope that you can lay it flat like this. So now it look like I'm looking at a phone screen. You know, I like that the camera can like, you can get all your angles. You know what I mean? You don't have to really hold it up like this. You can be like this, you know, a little bit more discreet if you're not comfortable vlogging in public. But definitely, you want to be able to get all the angles, man. And it's really compact though. It's not too bad holding it up like this. So definitely if you're traveling and all that, it's gonna be dope. Milo was way too excited to be home. All right, home sweet home, baby. Take a shower. Shower time. Shower time. Plug my phone in. Probably call Chris. And then me and Chris gonna probably go to the viewing. Alright guys, so listen. Chris just came. You know what I mean? Using the what's it called? The regular audio from the DJI again. Yo, vlog, look what a nigga here.
You never. Why you saying vlog for? This ain't gonna be uploaded for a year from now. Last time you uploaded a vlog.
This dude bugging, man. Like
That's
this junk
what I
is
mean,
dope.
like, when they upload, like.
And then watch this too. I got the a wireless mic with this junk.
Is that what they be carrying around in public interviews and stuff too?
Like yeah, these mics right here.
Yeah.
So I turn it on, and now it's the audio streaming directly to the mic. So I can put back that up. So now the audio is crisp as heck. Like the mic make a difference.
Movie time. I wonder if I can use that.
This don't make a difference, and you just double tap. 1, 2, 3, and then you can turn the screen. So we about to pull off.
Take that out.
Alright, so we just got to the funeral home. Yeah, doing it for the vlog, man.
For what? Running for mine. What? Why?
Yo, what is wrong with this dude? Oh, please use front entrance. So let's see what's going on up in here. But we got to go around to the front entrance. That's crazy too, man, because I can't even remember the last time I seen him. What's going on, boss? Yeah, I can't remember the last time I seen him. What's going on? I think it's over there. Hello. Here to for Elder Lonnie Whitehill. Oh, it's over here. Thank you. So here's Elder. I'm not sure who all was here today. Stanley Lonnie Whitehill, man, definitely a good man.
Service, man. So how long was he even reading for?
I don't know. It was years ago though.
When he was young. In his 20s, I guess.
That's the reality of all of us right there. The death. Take us sometime. About to go in here and get some sake.
You know, we couldn't send nothing dirty, William. Go in there.
I don't know what you're talking about. What's up, man?
Yeah. You see the difference?
I don't know what you're talking about, G. What's up, man? Wait there.
You alright?
Oh, these people know you in here. You be coming here too much, G.
I think it's the other one over.
This dude be coming in here too much. Some good content, man, especially with the owls around you, looking real nice. Sake.
Look. Yeah,
Sake is good,
yeah,
real good.
that's sake. The plum, where the plum? This is plum?
All right, guys. So, like I said, for the new year, I did go to Vegas, Las Vegas, with my girlfriend Mirian. She lives in Honduras, and we had a fantastic time, you know. So this is the clip of me first picking her up at the airport here in Michigan, you know, and the very next day we were leaving out for Vegas. We ended up staying at this really nice hotel, and she was extremely tired as well because she didn't really get much sleep flying in, you know. Like the hotel was really, really nice. I think it was the Hilton something, Marriott something. I can't remember. But I ended up finding this mug off literally Airbnb. I couldn't believe it. I mean, had a jacuzzi and all of that. It was just an extremely beautiful room with a very beautiful view. Like that view was absolutely incredible. And it was actually cold in Vegas as well. And that's crazy to me because I never think it was going to really be like that. So it was really surprising to me when we woke up in the mornings and we were able to look down off the balcony and see like people in the pool. I'm like, are they crazy or what? You know? But the water was actually heated. So I'm like, that's pretty dope. You know what I mean? That was pretty dope to really see that. But we had a blast, man. We had an absolute blast. I'm absolutely in love with this girl. Like, she's literally the best person I've ever known in my life. Super kind, just super sweet, super humble, you know. And I definitely did a lot. You know, we did a few try to do some excursion type things in Vegas. Went to like a spa type thing. Went on the little Ferris wheel thing. I don't think I have any video footage of that, but we got some photos and things. But yeah, guys, you know, that's pretty much it. End of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button. And let me know what y'all want to see more or less of in the vlogs. Because I'm ready. This DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my bloody God. I'm absolutely loving this camera though. It's dope.